Have you ever met anyone who can just hold a room? Maybe they walk on stage and everybody wants to look at them before they've even said a word. That's not genetics. That's not just a skill, although it is something you can learn. That's charisma. Charisma is one of those intangible things that a lot of people struggle to define. And in fact, you often define it by noticing the lack of it. Charisma is confidence plus warmth plus presence, let's say. And it's one of those things that can be learned. You also don't have to be big and energetic and have huge volume and energy in order to be charismatic. There is such a thing as quiet charisma. And in fact, quiet charisma can be just as powerful on stage when you're presenting as somebody who is big and bold and bombastic. Charisma is one of those things that absolutely can be developed. You can practice it. And the best way to do that, or to start doing that at least, is to look at those who are charismatic. What is it that they're doing? What is it that we can adopt as part of the way we present that will help us to be more charismatic? There are absolutely skills that you can bring in, and I want to start to explore those over the next few videos. We're going to look at what makes somebody charismatic. We're going to look at how we can bring charisma into our presentations. We'll also look at why we should bring charisma into our presentations. Why is it a skill that lots of people really want to develop more of? And I'm going to leave you with this question. Who do you know, or who have you seen speak, who is charismatic? What were they doing? What could you adopt? In fact, that's 3 questions. Who's charismatic? What are they doing? And what can you adopt? Got ideas? Got answers to those questions? Drop them into the comments below. I'd love to hear what you're thinking. And come back next time. Like and subscribe to make sure you're notified. And come back for more charisma.